Hey everyone, welcome back to Faster Cars channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting topics in the automotive world right now, the 2026 Chevrolet S10 SS. Now, if you're familiar with Chevy's history, you know that SS stands for something special. It's not just a trim level, it's a promise of performance, style, and attitude. But here's the catch. While there are tons of rumors, concept renders, and fan excitement swirling around this truck, GM hasn't officially confirmed its existence. Yet. For those who don't remember or weren't around during the golden age of compact trucks, let me remind you what made the original S10 SS so iconic. Back in the late 80s and early 90s, the S10 SS was all about bold styling and performance upgrades. With flared fenders, sport-tuned suspensions, and even optional V8 engines, it brought muscle car vibes to the midsize pickup segment. Fast forward to today, and fans are clamoring for a modern take on this legendary nameplate. While the dream of a 2026 S10 SS might still be speculative, Chevy has indeed launched the updated 2026 S10 in key markets like Argentina and Brazil. This new generation of the S10 is already making waves as a capable midsize truck with fresh features, including advanced safety tech, revised interiors, and new trim levels like the Z71 and a special 100 Years edition in Brazil. The 2026 S10 looks sharper than ever, with a more aggressive stance, muscular lines, and a premium feel inside the cabin. These updates make it easy to imagine how a performance-oriented SS variant could elevate this platform even further. Now, let's talk about why people are losing their minds over the idea of a 2026 S10 SS. Online creators and enthusiasts have been cooking up some incredible concepts, imagining what a modern SS version could look like. Think wider body kits, massive alloy wheels wrapped in high-performance tires, and maybe even a supercharged engine under the hood. Just picture it. A turbocharged V6 or even a V8 engine delivering over 400 horsepower paired with a sport-tuned chassis and Brembo brakes. Add in a menacing matte black or fiery red paint job, and you've got yourself a true performance beast. Oh, and don't forget the signature SS badging. It's gotta pop. So why does the world want a 2026 S10 SS? Well, first off, nostalgia plays a huge role. For many gearheads, the original S10 SS represents a time when small trucks didn't have to sacrifice power for practicality. But beyond that, the market today is ripe for a performance-focused midsize truck. Look at competitors like the Ranger Raptor and Tacoma TRD Pro. They've proven that there's demand for trucks that can handle both work and play. A 2026 S10 SS could fill that gap perfectly, offering the perfect blend of everyday usability and adrenaline-pumping performance. Whether you're hauling gear to the job site or tearing up the trails on the weekend, this truck would do it all, and do it with style. But before we get too carried away, let's address the elephant in the room. While the S10 remains hugely popular in South America, it's worth noting that the truck sold there is different from the Colorado we see in North America. And unfortunately, GM hasn't announced any plans to bring the S10 or potential SS variant to the US market. That said, I think it's clear that there's a lot of untapped potential here. If Chevy were to introduce a modern S10 SS globally, or even create a similar performance variant for the Colorado, it could really shake things up. Imagine the impact of combining the best of both worlds, the rugged capability of a mid-size truck with the heart of a sports car. In conclusion, while the 2026 Chevrolet S10 SS remains purely speculative for now, the dream lives on. Between the existing updates to the 2026 S10 and the growing appetite for performance trucks, it's hard not to hope that Chevy will surprise us someday soon. Until then, we'll keep dreaming, speculating, and drooling over these amazing concept designs. What do you guys think? Would you love to see a 2026 S10 SS hit the streets? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.